Blucor is dedicated to providing a safe work site for the public and our employees, and that is the focus of the company, to make sure that as we do our construction work, we're performing the completion of the different engineering projects we do, to make sure that both before, during, and after, that we maintain the work site that is safe for our employees and for the public. We also put the quality of the work that we're doing at the forefront, to make sure that the quality of the work is done well, that it meets all the specifications required, that it's done efficiently, and that there's no need to redo anything. The other item that we try to focus on is to giving our clients service, paying attention to their needs and what they would like done and how they would like it done, and making sure that those things are being able to be communicated with, to be able to be available as they require, and to give them good service. Blucor is trying to create a culture of safety, and we're trying to do that by several avenues of education. We're trying to educate, make sure that our employees are educated on a regular basis by holding tailgate safety meetings on the project, by analyzing each scope of work as that scope of work is being approached, by stopping during the day as we're working, and the processes that we're going through may change, discussing those projects and those processes as they take place, analyzing what the hazards could be, how to mitigate those hazards, and how to approach the project in a safe manner. And so the culture that we want the employees to understand, and those that we work around, is that that safety can be achieved, and it's a cultural issue. As we approach the projects, we make sure that we've done a good job of managing the projects, so that the money that is being spent wisely, that value is provided, in the sense of that at the time of construction we analyze the things that we're doing, the processes that we're using, the materials we're using, so that we can establish that the construction costs are in line with the expectation of the owner. We try to make sure that we meet all the requirements that are placed in front of us, both specifications and engineering and design, that we meet those requirements, so that we know that we have accomplished the goals of the designers and of the owners, and that it's done correctly. And by taking each one of these steps, it creates value. The excellent service is to be available and to be on top of our projects, to make sure that we have thought them through and analyzed the method that we're going to build the projects, and build them on paper in our heads prior to performing the work in the field. And also to be available to the client at any time and point, both in the design, in the inspection process of the project, so that we know that we're getting excellent quality and good value is delivered. It makes it so that we can approach the project in a methodical method, understanding what the end result needs to be, and understanding and having a plan to achieve those results. And by doing that, as we analyze the project, we can make sure that all those values and efficiencies and qualities come to play. We're a contracting company, and the process of being a contracting company is to work through contracts, where the contract describes in detail our obligations to the client and the client's obligations to us. And in that process, we want to be involved and make sure that all our expectations and the client's expectations are clearly called out, and that we approach this with integrity, with a desire to meet the requirements and the desires of the client, so that the client can know that we hold his best interest at hand. And using integrity in that process is ultimate to us.